Warning, being a redneck is dangerous. Please do not attempt anything you see on this show without extensive training on how to be a redneck.
I swim with snakes and gators, I chase creatures round and round. I drown my sins in a river cave and leave before my feet hit the ground. I reach in hard places where the timid dark not try. So if you need some peace of mind, I'll be a redneck for hire.
Right. Let me see them cool glasses. Oh, can I wear them? Okay. Let's see. All right. Swap back.
This morning, I looked over the well, y'all were the redneck. Okay.
Smell like dope.
Well, out here, I smell like something going on there. And I am a true redneck. I'm from Mississippi, so I am a real deal. Then I moved to Louisiana.
Tucker, I'm gonna ask you something. Can you tell the camera guys what we're doing here? I don't know. You don't know? What's this all about? Medcamp. What is Medcamp? Allows y'all to go to camp, right? Yeah. There you go. We're out here, guys. We're out here with the car show, Windward Medical Mall. And we're going to be going around filming different things for different people. Support Kidz Medcamp.
Hey, Mom, hey, come baby, let him.
Let him go. Let him go. Let him go.
Hey, Mom, hey, kid.
We're gonna walk around a little bit. We'll come back and hang out with you a little while, right?
Thank you, big
This is a car show put on by the Twin City Classic Chevy Club. I'm the camera director for Medcamps Louisiana, and all the proceeds from this club benefit Medcamps. Medcamps is a non-profit organization, and we provide summer camping experiences for children living with chronic illnesses and disabilities.
Good deal. Now, and you are the what? You're the director?
Yes, I'm the camp director for Medcamps, so I work full-time. This is my full-time job. We provide these camps completely free of charge. So we have 12 different camps in the summer that we put on for children with special needs. Tugger's actually one of our campers, and then we have camp counselors that we hire as well, and Garrett was a camp counselor a couple years ago. So.
Tell us what you do out there.
As a camp counselor, you are there with the kids all the time. You're their primary source of care. You're their friends. You take care of them. You're there to hang out, make sure they have a good time, keep them safe.
Can you tell us where your camps are at?
Yeah, so our camp is, we have one location, it's in Shudrin, so not far from here, right outside of Ruston. It's called Camp Alabama, but we are Med Camps in Louisiana. It gets very confusing.
Camp Alabama?
Yes, it's confusing.
Whoa!
Yeah.
Glad your daddy ain't here.
But yeah, so we have our own facility. Our facility is modified for our campers. So we have campers who come who are confined to wheelchairs. We have campers who come who have Down syndrome. The list goes on, and every activity we do, we make sure it is safe and accessible for our kids to do with us.
Good deal. Mike,
we already volunteered. I volunteered us to come help.
There you go.
When you needed to be there.
Well, I was telling them, a couple years ago, I used to coach the baseball.
Yeah, the Dixie Hearts. Yeah, awesome.
I think them kids took me when I hurt my leg and had to go to the hospital. Next thing I know, they said, what you got to do? Their whole field.
Oh, that's awesome.
Right there.
Yeah, it's awesome. Our kids, they love Med Camps. They love these dollars.
I would be honored if
Yeah,
absolutely.
Definitely.
Whoa! My big redneck showed up. How you doing, brother? Alright. Great, come on over. Yeah, get on over here, girl. These are my other rednecks on the show. She's keeping this one in line. This is Charles. Yeah, Kevin? There's Mike. Yeah, okay. I'm David Young. We have a TV show, Rednecks for Hire. Tell us about who you are, what this is all about.
Alright, so my name is Dan Dixon. I'm the president of the Twin City Classic Chevy Club here in Monroe.
Okay.
And basically this is our once annual car show that we have. And it's all, the charity goes to Med Camps in Louisiana. Great. I don't know if you guys have ever been out there. We have an amazing group of kids with disabilities. They do summer camps all year from winter, different weeks for different things. And so we're just out here. We do this every year for a bunch of fun, raise a bunch of money, eat a bunch of food, have a good time.
Right down our alley.
Right down your alley. That's why you're here, man.
You got any free food out here?
I don't know about free food. Yeah, we have donuts right up here.
I'm wearing a couple of them right now. I got a couple of them on right now. Hey, listen, he's now fixing to go on our show. Somebody else. That guy's all these people with me. I hired him. You hired him to sort of help take the responsibility. They got to him. Him and Kevin got to him and just ruined it.
You want some free donuts?
He's already got it done. He's got it.
How is your show? Yeah, so the show used to be like a 3-day giant show. I mean, it was like Friday, Saturday, or on Sunday. And the show, the club used to be 55, 56, 57s only. But then, you know, the members got older. People weren't into 55, 56, 57 as much, so they have to change, you know, a little bit. So we used to be total Chevy. Now we're, you know, we'll let you in the club for Dodge, you know, Chevrolet, whatever.
If you got the money, you can get in.
As long as you like.
Bible lesson for today, going along with the car show, Hebrews 13, 16. Hebrews chapter 13, verse 16. Do not neglect to do good and to share what you have, for such sacrifices are pleasing to God. Basically, in my opinion, what it says is, if you're doing good and you're sharing what you have, your wealth, and helping others, then that's what God wants you to do. And that's what the car show did. They were showing cars out. People were buying tickets, buying stuff. All the proceeds were going to help Kidz Camp. You can't ask for a better thing. That's what God wants you to do. He wants you to help other people. And I was honored, and the Rednecks are all honored to be a part of this. Philippians 2, verse 4. Let each of you look not only to your own interest, but to the interest of others. Perfect scenario. The car show. They were taking all their personal time to raise money to help these kids at Kidz Camp. They were taking their own interest and using what they like to do and what we like to do, see cars and things, to raise money for Kidz Camp. You can't ask for a better way of giving and helping people out. Guys, get on board with Kidz Camp. Get on board with the car show. Get hold of Katie and the staff that was out there. Reach out to us if you have something you need done, or if you need to get hold of somebody at the Kidz Camp. We'll get you in touch with them. It's a God-sent thing. It's helping the needy, and we need to be on board with it. Thanks.
I think I want to get out right there in the middle of it. See that people.
This little thing move along here, boy. Oh, shoot. Oh, them Brian hurting me. Got over there and got it mixed up and set it. I think Kevin shot about 8 times and he missed and finally hit it once out of 8 times.
So Mike, what are you doing over there?
I'm trying to dig a hole, put this boom boom in there where we can blow this thing out of this cooker here. Look, these got that pretty. Yes, ma'am? See the shovel?
No, I said, we try to put it.
I know, I said, can you see the shovel though? Or do I need to move it?
Beavers having fun, ain't they?
It's fixing to be the real thing, baby.
Man, we're going to blow up some stuff in here. This is going to be the deal. Then we got Kevin. Say, hey, Kevin.
Hey, Kevin.
Say, hey, Jonas.
Hello.
Nick.
Say hello to my little friend.
Where's he at?
He said hello, Kevin. I said hello, Kevin.
I'm getting behind y'all.
Real nasty.
Make sure I'm
Right
going to be hit.
clear.
Hold on, this thing said it ended. What happened?
It ended. Got to start it again.
Rolling.
Hold on, how do I do that?
I ain't coming to show you.
Hold on. Don't go nowhere yet. I'll turn it over to Kevin here in a minute since we get.
What kind of gun we got we're working with, Kevin?
Springfield Armory, AR-15, the Saint.
Sounds fancy.
And I got a glare in my red dot.
All right, Kevin.
Yeah.
All your show, buddy.
All right. Everybody clear?
Hold on, I ain't getting no comment. How do I know it's live?
Mike, you're killing us.
Push go live.
Oh, okay. It says I'm good now.
You good?
Yeah, hold on, man.
Rednecks and social media.
Here we go.
Everybody clear?
Clear.
Fire in the hole.
Oh, he missed.
No, it ain't me.
That's fire.
No, I didn't.
Fire
You
up.
better go check it.
Didn't do nothing. So we lost that. Had to mix another one up. Kevin hit it all the time. Didn't go off because they were determined to put the color in.
There's no powder in this.
Should be in the can.
Should be in the can.
My little foot ain't padding back up there. There ain't no powder in there.
He didn't bring the powder.
Oh
No,
my
that's the-
gosh.
I told you that's what I kept.
This is the one that had no powder.
Where did
You did this.
where did you get these?
Out of the paper boxes.
In a box. Okay, there should have been one of these that had powder in it.
Oh, it was all little ones.
How about let Jonas go get it? We can't mix it without the powder.
Well, I tried to tell y'all that.
Well then it's supposed to be in here.
Lay right on top.
Yeah.
It's in the thing. It's in the thing.
Oh, Lordy. Hey, look, it's like a little glass back here.
Bring me a mixture of Powerade one of y'all.
Hey, and bring me a green Gatorade.
Load it up. Yeah, let's get everybody some.
Come on, you ain't back yet?
There's
Let's
5
go.
of us.
You're burning daylight, dude.
It took us longer than expected to blow up the beaver dam because David shook them up and mixed them all up. He messed up on a light. It was all his fault, nothing mine. I didn't do anything. I was just observing, you know. Well, then he sent Jonas over because we didn't have any. He sent Jonas to go get the stuff. Jonas went up there, and I don't even think he looked at the truck. He just paddled up there and then paddled back.
No one did.
That was you.
That was you. You told me where to look.
Kevin, run me over there to the truck.
He told you to run into the truck.
Hey, and you telling the one with the gun?
Y'all hang.
Yeah, you talking to the man with the gun over there.
Ready?
Yep.
Open it up, make sure.
Just a drop. That's what you're looking for. I told you, get the big container in the box. That was in the box. Guess what's in that
glad
big?
I'm Christian.
Guess what's in that big? You're what?
I'm glad I'm Christian.
They told me to go look for it. I went and looked for it, and I found something. They didn't tell me specifically. I don't remember. No, he had it in his pocket the whole time. He just made me go back and forth on that kayak because he knows I don't really like riding kayaks.
Probably mix one more and we're gonna go with it.
Please don't spill it. You think he does.
We get a 4-round clip.
Look at Kevin, they get a 4-round clip. Are you pouring it in there?
Yeah.
Look like he constipated or something.
This stuff is not easy.
That ain't that pink stuff, is it?
Yeah, you're gonna have to call him back and say, hey, look, I don't know about that pink stuff.
Jonas, shake.
And bake.
He'd have been in trouble.
I got my touch like a tiger. Look how much crap y'all. I'm gonna put this in front of all that crap y'all wasted over there.
All right, Kevin, you want to set up over there at the fire range area?
This is getting hot. Is it supposed to get hot?
I hope not. It's hot hands. He grabs the wrong stuff.
Oh, thanks, gummit.
You need to put more in there, man.
I'm going to shake that up.
It ain't even none in there.
I've got another one I'm mixing right here.
See, that was like a dance move. Went.
You know, we done lost all them live people that we had.
Well, we'll get new ones.
We got new ones. We need the people. People need us. Stares off like an.
We ain't got time to go live.
All right. If everybody's clear and ready, fire in the hole. That was pretty good now.
Smoke came right up to the camera.
Two went off. I don't remember how many we went through, maybe 4. But Kevin was hitting them, he says. But he was hitting them. But they just weren't going off, so David definitely messed it up. Oh yeah, it did some damage to it. I don't think they're going to be building those back anytime soon. Hopefully.
We're going to talk about worldly things. In the Bible, it says in 1 John 2:15, do not love the world or anything in the world. If anyone loves the world, love for the Father is not in them. Basically, if everything you say and do is in this world, and you're going to just do everything for this world, then you're doing it for the wrong reason. You do it for God, God will reward you. Also, see if I can flip this out, in Romans 12:21, this is the NIV version, do not conform to the pattern of this world, but be transformed by renewing of your mind. Then you will be able to test and prove what God's will is. His good, pleasing, and perfect will. Again, it's talking about, worldly possessions and the things of the world. They're not going to be with you. You can't take them with you to heaven. So don't worry about the worldly things. God will take care of everything that you need if you take care of what He wants. What good is for someone to gain the whole world yet forfeit their soul? That's Mark 8, verse 36. Good point. What is it? If you gain everything in this world, you got everything that you could ever want, but yet you don't have God in your soul, you're useless. You're doomed for hell, and you don't get the blessings of the Lord. For the grace of God has appeared that offers salvation to all people. If He teaches us to say no to ungodliness and worldly passions, and to live self-controlled, upright, and godly lives in the presence of age. Titus 2:11 and 12. I've told you these things so that in me you may have peace, and in this world you will have trouble. But it takes heart, and I have overcome the world. Basically, it's just, to me, it's saying, if you've got God, you got peace. If you take God out of your life and worldly things in this life, then we got nothing.